Parang, ano yung may kukontribute ko? Myself.
Here's your coffee, late bandmate.
Sorry. I'm not really a morning person.
Russell started playing for us in 2004, so he's about 18 years old.
Barely legal.
Wala pa siyang book sa kilikili na.
And other parts. The moment that I got the phone call to session to fill in for John back in 2004, di pa natapos magsalita yung who asked me. O umuuna ako.
Si Russell kasi is parang they considered as their fifth member. Wala pa yata ako nun, parang siya na yung talagang nandun for them.
Ayan. Welcome to my studio. Di joke lang. Uy, ayos yan.
Sa puwet,
Naalala ko na nasa trabaho rin ako. Tapos may message ako. Pagka-message, sabi ko, sige, jam na tayo tonight. Tonight na kagad.
Tonight.
Before ako nag-dub, nagse-session na ako sa kanila. Before. Yung session time ko noon, 2009 yata. Yun yung time na nag-training si John noon sa TESDA. Halos araw-araw nagpa-practice kami. Para lang makuha ko yung parts. Tinry lang namin. Ako, si John, tsaka si Lalay pa noon. Paano ko bumagsak dito? Ang naging kabanda ko si John and Ross. Tayo kami yung Cables in Space before. Minor. And then, tinayo nila yung Gab and John. Ako yung umupo doon.
Nandiyan lang lagi si Sam para sa amin. So para kung without them, so para I think hindi mabubuo yung kung ano yung meron kami ngayon.
Tapos na.
Yeah, 4 songs.
Pwede ka na mag-beer.
Hindi ko ina-expect na magtutuloy-tuloy siya. Tapos after nun, mukha lang ng gig. Tapos hanggang nandito na.
Intro, wag ka magbela.
They've always considered me to be like their adopted bunso because I am the youngest.
Ganyan pa siya dati. Ngayon. Kasi si John is older. Tapos ako. And then siya, the next year pa. So, parang schoolmates, not ano.
Oh, grade school pa lang. Idol ko na sila.
Iba.
I try as much as I can to add things that make the whole arrangement full, and thick, but not unnerving. Parts that would help serve the song and make the songs a whole lot better.
Being around my kuyas and achi, there's really not much difference at all. I guess it gives me a stronger sense of accomplishment for the work that I put into the whole music thing as an individual.
Masaya naman yung experience na to. Meron siyang parang sa akin musical epiphany, parang ganun. Masyadong na-open yung lalo na sa pagsusulat. Marami ako natututunan.
In the past, as we go on, no?
Dami.
Ako rin naman eh.
Dami.
Ang i-double track natin is yung song 1 to 4 from last time. So, i-double track against dun sa nirecord sa bahay.
Para na rin may comparison.
Track.
Kung mas okay ba yung sa rabbit hole or sa
Or
tower.
dito.
Na ano. Huwag ka lang natin masyadong ganda.
Para makahabol ng konti. Gets?
Masaya lang. Like to be given the chance to get to do what I like doing best, which is playing music, creating music.
Kung ano yung mga offer namin sa table. Siguro parang bagong element lang din. Creatively, sana ma-push pa namin yung tunog. Kasi galing ako sa tunog.
So maybe more of like one up sa creative side. And siyempre, camaraderie. Pakisama.
Commitment eh. No?
Commitment, dedication, time. Being now like full-time part of Dub, it feels great and it feels like home.